It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, it's okay. I know people don't like you. It's okay. You're so pretty. It's okay. You're so tiny. Look at your tail. Look at your tail. Look at your tail. Ah! You're so pretty. Look at your eyes. You got pretty eyes. It's so fluffy. It's so skinny. You want me to take you home to Canada? Okay, you behave, okay? Take care of yourself. Okay? Bye. A little bit more. I know people don't pet you because you're dirty. Look at your tail. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna get a taxi now.